Experiencing missing images on the DoorDash app? This is often due to how the app manages images to save data. The app uses your phone's cache to store images of menus and restaurants. If your cache is corrupt or full, images may not load. Data saver mode on your phone also limits image loading to conserve data. First, restart the app. If that doesn't work, clear the DoorDash app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash Storage. On iOS, General, iPhone Storage, DoorDash Offload App. Next, disable Data Saver mode. On Android, Settings, Network Internet Data Saver. On iOS, Settings, Cellular Data Options. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as updates often address these visual glitches. A recent visual stability update has improved loading times, but these basic fixes usually resolve most issues. If the problem persists, try restarting your phone, as this clears temporary files that could be interfering with image loading. If basic fixes don't resolve DoorDash image loading issues, advanced solutions include switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, as a weak signal can prevent proper loading. Consider uninstalling and reinstalling the DoorDash app to ensure a clean installation without corrupted data. Using a VPN can interfere with image loading. Turning off VPN functionality may resolve the issue. DoorDash is developing visual AI features that will automatically resolve image issues. By 2026, AI-enhanced optimization is expected to significantly reduce loading problems, with technology that predicts and preloads images based on your ordering habits. If you continue experiencing issues, contact DoorDash support for personalized assistance, particularly if you suspect an app bug.